So we feel very, very much humbled to have you here. Thank you for gracing the event. And we are called the Thogoto Forest family. And we have so many. We have the Thogoto Forest family, the Thogoto Online Media, we have Club Explorer, we have Swiss Club, we have KFS, and of course many others.
So it's my first time here, and let me tell you people, this is a gem. A gem in that it's just a few minutes away from Karen, and it has a vast variety of biodiversity. Actually, from my first impression, I thought it's something different, but ideally it is a forest that is full of what you can't spot things. But when it's silent, when it's quiet, that is when most of the spotting is done.
We came here for tree planting last year, around when the king and the queen were here.
Yes.
So we came here, we planted some trees over there, but it was educative, informative. I've learned a lot, different types of birds. Actually, I wasn't a bird lover before. You know, like it was such common. It was like, actually, kwetu tunasemanga eri ya nyoni. You see, no, I've learned to know the names, the characteristics, and it is nice. It is incredible.
Now the sound that is producing, what is it saying? What is it trying to communicate?
It's a call. You see, for birds, that's how they communicate. So they can be communicating, maybe like passing information from one bird to another, and others inakuanga ni kama alarm call. Maybe kama kuna predator mahali. Yeah. So they will. So it depends.
Let me describe it to you. Let me describe. Let's assume these are two snakes, right?
Well, you're a good spotter.
This is the female. This is the male. It is the male because of this long tail. Sawa. This is the reproductive organ of the female. So the male will come and hook itself here, and then the long tail will coil to increase the chances of fertilization.
So, please expound more on the bee eater name. Is it that they feed on the...
Actually, from the name, they feed on bees, they feed on wasps, and to how their feeding mechanism, utapata when it grabs, say for example, a wasp, wanginai, tona like inaigongesha like, okay, the sense of meaning about it, watu wangu wanasema like, we have some wasps, they have poison. So it's kuichapa hivi kuiua, there's a way that like wanna release the poison. Okay, it's not it's not documented, but that is what I've read. To answer your question, birds of the same species, they attract each other in terms of mating, mates. And most of the time where you find, like for example, you see like we saw the male variable sandbird here, maybe some few meters away we saw the female. So they normally go in pairs, yeah, and they attract all of the same species, yeah.
I'll start with a quote that says, every bird's song
is a reminder that even the smallest voice can be used to create music around the world. So being a member of the Thogoto Forest, and maybe someone is watching and maybe they don't know us, we can be that small voice of a bird that can sing. Nasikianga bird ina sing in the morning. We know the birds are the first music that we usually listen. Apart from the people who are living in the city, utasikia ile hoot. So nizasema like in conservation, we are trying our best to see like people are coming in not only for ecotourism reason, but also to conserve the heritage and the resources that are in the forest. And one of the resources is the birds. So I'm saying like for a person like Doreen and Lydia and whoever was able to participate, attend and perform, making sure like the event was successful. We really appreciate such people, and we pray and request people who are outside there and they are concerned about ecotourism and small tourist destination. We can link up, we can come up together, also exchange ideas, do something great for our nation, for Mother Nature, and even for our environment.